Okay, so guys, now you can see that we have understood so much things. Okay, now we know everything about it. First, just let's go ahead and let's add the newsroom into our blog thing. So let's just go ahead and let's go to menus here, and let's add our one more page that we have here. So I'm gonna go to the menu, and you can see that this is loading right now. So let this be loaded, and then I will add that blog page into our menu section, and then we're gonna be moving forward. So you can see the blog is right here. I'm just gonna come here and I'm gonna check this, and I'm gonna hit add to menu, and you can see that this is right here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna bring this to the top of this. So now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna hit save menu, and that's all I have to do. And let's just go ahead and let's view our website. So you can see that we have our home, about us, blog, and contact us, and this now completes our website. Okay, so now we're gonna work with a blog thing. Okay, because we have to understand this, guys. I know it. You might be like, okay, I don't want to work with a blog, but who knows that in future you may want to work with it. So please just pay attention and just understand this. Okay, we just have to work with the that category, and that's all. And then we're done with the blog thing. Okay, we'll also learn about the commenting. Okay, that is a later part. Okay, and then we're gonna work with the widgets, and then I'm gonna tell you about the customization of the website, and then we're gonna learn about the theme and then the plugins, and that's all. Then we'll be working up with our project. So let's just go ahead and let's work with our dashboard. Okay, so I'm gonna go to the categories. Like let's add the categories of the post. So if we just look at the post, then you can see that we can categorize it like the newsroom, or like new events that we have, or like updates or feature, so something like that. So let's just go ahead. In the post, you can see it has the category. So I'm gonna add this, and you can see it says the taxonomy and this, and it says the add new category. And now you can see that here we have the list of all the categories that we have. Okay, let's just understand this. So you can see we have this bulk actions, and we have this uncategorized, and it has the count 3. So if we just go ahead and we just open up all the posts, okay, then you can see that these posts are under the category of uncategorized, which is defaultly created by WordPress. Okay, so just let's quickly go ahead and let's rename this category. So I'm gonna rename this category as news. Okay, so you can see that I'm renaming this as news, and I'm gonna change the slug. So slug is like the URL. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna hit update. Now let's go back to categories. Okay, so if I just view this category, then I'm gonna tell you what it is and how does it use for. If I just go ahead and I just open this up, you can see that it says slash category and then slash the slug. This is the slug. Basically, like we used this news, that is why this is here. If I just change this slug to be like newsroom, okay, and then I keep it the name to be like news, and then I just go ahead and I just update it. Okay, and then when I refresh this, you will see an error like page not found. Okay, you can see it says page not found. The reason is that I have changed the slug, and I have to add that in the news to be like newsroom. Then when I refresh this, you will see that this is now working like that, because the slug is this, which is the URL, and then I have the category, which is news, and then I have these posts coming. So you can just categorize your post, and if someone view your post with category, like in the menu, you can add that category, and then you can just work with it. I'm gonna explain you this later on, but first let's just go ahead and let's add some more category. I'm gonna go back, and now here I'm gonna add one more. So that is going to be like feature. Okay, and the slug is going to be none. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna just add this. I'm gonna come here and I'm gonna hit add new category. Okay, this is added right now. Okay, and the slug is already created from here. So I'm gonna add one more, and that is going to be showdown, or like release, press release. Okay, and then here I'm gonna go to like press release, or like press dash release. So it's gonna be like slash category slash press release. Okay, and now let's go ahead and let's just hit add new category. So we have these categories right here. The number one is the feature, the other one is the news, and then this. So let's just go ahead and let's just hit add new category. You can see this is right here. Okay, and we have these count as this. So let's quickly go ahead and let's assign these posts to the feature and the press release as well. So I'm going to go to the all post. Okay, and in here I want to make my this one post to be assigned to the feature. Okay, like this is a new feature, and I'm going to change the category to be the feature, and I'm going to uncheck the news here. Okay, and I'm going to hit update. And this one, a thief got arrested by this, is going to be in the news. Okay, so this is the news, and this hello world should be a feature. Okay, like it can be a feature, or it can be like press release about from the hello world. So I'm going to go to quick edit. You can quick edit it from here, or you can just go ahead and you can hit edit from here. And then you can see that it says the category. So here you can select to be like press release, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to hit update. And that's all you have to do. Okay, and now when we go to the categories and then we just refresh this page, you can see that every post will be assigned 111. Okay, so I view any category, like I view the feature. Okay, you can see this is the category feature, and the category feature has just one single post, and that is coming here. So this is how you can basically create these categories. Now you can add unlimited posts to the categories. So for feature, like you can add like item zeal now offers mobile apps development. Okay, and then here you can add the lorem ipsum content. Okay, I'm gonna add that. I'm just gonna go to the lipsum.com/feed/html, and then here is the content. I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna quickly just copy all this. Okay, let's just go ahead, let's copy, and let's come here and paste. Okay, and then I'm gonna select the category to be the feature, because that is the feature. And that's all. You have to just go ahead and you have to hit publish, and you can see that we have now published our categories. So let's just go ahead and let's just refresh this, and on refreshing you can see it says iTunes now offers mobile apps development, and iTunes now offers web development, and every category is coming right here. Okay, so now we're totally done with the category stuff. Now with the category, you can add these categories in your menus. Okay, how you're gonna do that? So you can add it like if you go to dashboard. Let's suppose that you want to create a big blog and you want to work with it. So if you want to add the link of the categories into your menus, then you can add that. So in here, you have to select to be like categories, and these are the categories that are coming. So let's suppose that I want to add feature, press, and everything. So let me just tell you one more thing. Okay, if you just go to press release this, and this, and we add all of them. Okay, and now you can see that these are the category and these are the pages. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna hit save menu, and let's just have a look at our website. Okay, you can see how they're looking. So it says home, about us, blog, contact us, feature, news, press release. So everything is coming. If you just go to blog, it's going to show all the posts that we have in the blog. You can see iTunes now offers web development, a thief got arrested, and the hello world. Now, I want these to be the subcategories, like the sub menu of this sub item, so that if someone brings his mouse over it, then he should see all the categories. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go to the menus, and I'm gonna come here to feature, and I'm gonna drag this, and I'm gonna bring it right here. Okay, bring all these to the top, bring all these to the top. Okay, now I want these to be the sub menu or the sub item of this blog. So for that, I have to just drag this and I have to keep it right. Okay, and you can see this is now marked as the sub item. Same like this, I have to do it for this, and I have to do it for this. That's all. And now I have to hit save menu. And now if I just come here and I just go to my web page, I can see we have this like this, home, about us, blog, and then we have feature, news, press release, and then we have the contact us. So you can see that how everything is just working like that, guys. The blog has the category feature, the category news, and then it has the category press release. So if someone just want to learn about the feature, okay, he'll see that what are the new features that Tanzil Rahman website is doing. So he'll just go to this and he'll just view this, and you can see it says the category feature, and now the blog is showing all the categories that has the featured feature. So now you can see this is how these menu works as well. So now you can see that we are totally done with our website and the blogging stuff. And in the next video, I'll show you just about the commenting, okay, how commenting works and how can you just work with it. And I'll also show you that how can you basically just work with the length of this. Like if you want to make it smaller, like when we were walking up with the Apple newsroom, okay, if I just go to Apple slash newsroom, then here you can see that we have not the whole content in here, just the title, and then they don't have the small content, but I want to show a little bit content so that it makes my page does not very big. Okay, I want it to be like a bit smaller. So I'm gonna do that and how it is done, and we'll be doing that in the upcoming videos. So stay tuned, guys, and then we'll be working up with the themes and other stuff. So stay tuned, guys, and bye bye.